Motherson Sumi, important to address that stock, especially after the new acquisition that they've made for about 10.9 million pounds. We have with us then Mr. Pankaj Mittal, the COO of Motherson Sumi. Mr. Mittal, thanks so much for joining in on ET. Now let's start off by telling us about the contours of the deal. What's the opportunity you're seeing in this space?
Well, as you know, Motherson Sumi had acquired PKC Group.
Yeah.
In 2017, and with that we had added a new segment of doing business in the rolling stock segment. This acquisition is a step forward in that direction. This rolling stock business of ours had been having a global partnership agreement with Bombardier Transportation, and this acquisition is in line to strengthen that partnership with them. It also reflects the confidence built by our teams through exceptional operational performance with the customer, due to which the customer decided that as part of their transformation program, they would like to offload this business and give it to us. So this entails assembly of wire harnesses and other electrical assemblies, including cabinets, etc., which is in their facility at Derby, and they will then be sourcing their entire requirement from us. We will also be free to add new businesses in this facility for other customers in the coming time.
This acquisition also marks your entry into the railway component segment in the UK market. What is the potential you're seeing in this market, in this segment, in this business, and what is the growth that you're targeting over a longer term picture?
See, we started into this railway segment, as I mentioned, in 2017 when we acquired PKC Group. So PKC Group had acquired a Polish company called KTP, which was doing this business. So this business is like about 10 year plus old, which has been in Europe mainly. And then we had acquired a facility in US called Hornell Industries, which is known as ATM, and also expanded by acquiring Huber and Suhler's facility in Poland. This is the first time when we are starting an operation for rolling stock in the UK market. We have continuously been focusing on this, and we expect that the rolling stock business over a period of time will continue to grow in line with our other businesses.
Okay, Mr. Sehgal earlier had told us about moving from the 3CX15 strategy to 3CX10 eventually. Is this move in line with that, and what are the diversification plans going ahead?
Well, absolutely. This is part of our whole transportation business which we do. And this is absolutely in line with 3CX15 as we continue to grow our businesses and diversify our businesses. And this is in line with our vision to be a globally preferred solutions provider to all our customers. We do hope that this business of rolling stock will also continue and become an important element in this whole Samvardhan Motherson Group's complete portfolio of diversification.
Mr. Mittal, this is the third acquisition post Motherson announced its 2020 targets. Now, everybody on the street is very curious about how the growth has been for the new businesses. What has the contribution been so far, and what is the growth expected beyond 2020? What are the sort of businesses you're betting on within the newer ones that you acquired?
We see a very good growth coming in. You have seen that PKC Group, which had been acquired in 2017, has been growing very well. Its operational performance has also improved very well. SMRC, that's Radl's acquisition, is very recent, so we do hope that to grow well in the future as coming times. And this is a business which we are taking over from our customer, Bombardier, to support them even better and to grow this business in the UK market. We are completely aligned with what our customers want us to do and how we can keep creating value together. So we are completely focused on growing all the businesses in all the geographies, not only up to 2020, but beyond 2020, as you very well said. Beyond 2020, as you very well said.
Okay, since this acquisition has happened through PKC, which is a relatively new business, a new addition to the company, could you help us understand the performance trajectory since you have acquired the company? It has also started contributing to sales very recently. What's the growth that has been so far, and what are you eyeing from here on?
See, PKC has been doing very well. It's at the back of the global growth in the truck segment. We mainly supply to the commercial vehicles there. Even the rolling stock business forms a part of the PKC group. If we see the last 9 months performance, we have had a revenue growth of about 12%. So in 9-month period, the revenues were about 863 million euros. And the EBITDA, this 9-month revenue are equivalent to the revenue of the full year when we had acquired the company. So you can see that there has been a very good growth in terms of overall revenue. And in this 9-month to 9-month period, we see with respect to the same period last year, we had an EBITDA improvement by about 42%. So, and on a PAT basis also an improvement of 48%. So the company has been doing phenomenally well. We hope to continue. We are OEM supplier, so we always breathe with the market, and we support all our customers around the world.